This is just a quick video to show you how to back up files on your computer to your Google Drive so that when we wipe and restore them, we'll be able to restore all of the documents that you have that you need to transfer from one computer to another. I've got a couple folders here on my desktop that I would like to back up, and there are two different ways you can do this. The first way is just by going into your Google Drive, and I would recommend creating a new folder for your computer backup, and that'll create a folder in your Google Drive. And then the easiest way is just to highlight the folders that you want to select. I don't need to select English for this example because I no longer have that class, or I don't have any notes in there that I need. So I'm just going to drag the other three into my computer backup folder. And watch as it backs up all those notes. And then I can go into the computer backup folder and I can see all of my different folders and each of the different backups that I took. Some of them look good and these are just for sample purposes. Some of them don't have anything in them, and they're all backed up. Now, the second way to do it is if you have Google Drive on your desktop already set up, you can launch that, and as long as that's running up here in the top corner, what we can do is we can go to a new Finder window, open up the Google Drive location, make sure it's Google Drive and not iCloud Drive, and open up My Drive, and you could go again, create a new folder, put today's date, or you could type it for today or whatever. And again, it's as simple as opening that folder, again, selecting the things you want to copy, and then I would right click and select copy. Otherwise, it's going to move those files to your Google Drive like this. So now it's going to move that, and now that folder is no longer going to be on your desktop. It's only going to exist in your Google Drive. But the other note that I have here are copies, and that if we go back to Google Drive and Google Chrome, we'll see that we have, once that's finished syncing up here, we got the computer backup for today, which has all of those folders in it. So that's it. Everything should be backed up. The more documents you have, the longer it's going to take to back up those files. But once it's done, your documents are safe, and then when we wipe and restore your computers, you'll be able to transfer all the documents back.